Hi everyone, this is Bryn. I wanted to share with you something that I just bought online. It's a pistol grip camera handle from photography and cinema. What I wanted was a pistol grip that I could mount my DSLR camera on. And this is perfect because of this extra wide platform. It has a very ergonomic design and a 1/4-20 thread here. But the bonus is that I can also use it with my GoPro camera. To do that, I'm going to simply screw on the base mount from ProMount, which is an aluminium base with a tripod thread here and a quick connect self-adhesive mount here. So I simply screw that on, get it straight and tighten it up with this little wheel just under here. And when that's tight, simply click in the GoPro camera, and I'm using a J-hook buckle. The J-hook is good because it has a great range of movement. I can put the camera forward or all the way back in case I wanted to film up at the sky. Now what I like about this, besides the fact that I can use it with my DSLR, but I can use it with the GoPro very quickly. I don't have to mount the GoPro on my body anywhere. I can just simply have this in my camera bag and grab the camera out and start filming. Very simple, but very effective. This is the photography and cinema pistol grip camera handle. This is Bryn. Thanks for watching.